Against the backdrop of a growing UK energy jobs market, demand in engineering construction is continuing to grow apace. It is vital, therefore, that we ensure ongoing technical competence. Connected Competence is an industry-led initiative which demonstrates a clear commitment to improving safety, as well as increasing the mobility and transferability of a safe, skilled and productive workforce. Turning this strategy into reality requires clear leadership and collaboration. And we've been overwhelmed by the commitment of companies, industry bodies and trade unions who are working with us to make sure Connected Competence is delivered. We now need you to do your part and sign up to this charter.
Connected Competence is another step towards making Aberdeen the net zero capital of the world. The ambition that led the Scottish Government to establish the flagship £500 million Just Transition Fund for the North East and Moray. I recognise the huge importance of standardisation of skills across the oil and gas sector. Connected Competence, alongside the Energy Skills Passport, promises to ease movement between organisations and the wider energy sector, and I very much welcome this. I look forward to the collaborative efforts of the Operator Council in supporting the principles laid out in the Charter.
The North Sea Transition Deal supports the supply chain's evolution into a global leader in low-carbon projects, anchoring thousands of skilled jobs in the UK and creating demand for its expertise abroad. Connected Competence highlights the need for a collective approach, bringing together industry, regulators and government to provide leadership and keep everyone pulling in the same direction. So, we encourage you to recognise the principles contained within the Connected Competence Charter and demonstrate your commitment by signing up.
All of us at NextGen Energy are proud to be one of the first signatories of the new Connected Competence Charter. The vision of the Charter is transformative. It is making sure that the wider workforce has a base technical standard of competence with the right knowledge and the right experience to deliver the job. Most importantly, it can help enhance safety standards across the sector. I would wholeheartedly encourage other operators to sign up to the Charter and join us in demonstrating clear industry leadership.
Connected Competence is an important industry-led initiative which CNOC International is delighted to support. People and skills are at the core of our industry, and by working to ensure that everyone achieves a base technical standard, we are creating safe, highly skilled, flexible workers who will have an increased ability to transfer easily between sectors. This is vital as our industry continues its journey towards net zero. CNOC International has no hesitation in signing up to the Charter, and we encourage our peers across the industry to do the same.
By 2030, it's anticipated that around 200,000 people will be required for the continued development of offshore wind, hydrogen and carbon capture and storage, as well as the ongoing oil and gas activities in the UK offshore energy sector. Connected Competence has a key role to play in ensuring that the current workforce has recognisable engineering skills and transferable technical standards, which are captured in the Energy Skills Passport. OEUK is a huge supporter of Connected Competence, and we ask that our colleagues in the industry endorse the initiative today.
At Spirit Energy, we as operators recognise, promote and fully endorse Connected Competence and view it as an investment in safety, in people and in the future of the offshore energy industry. By achieving this certified base standard of technical competence, we are future-proofing the industry and ensuring that we remain globally competitive. Spirit Energy is a proud signatory of the Charter and we strongly encourage you to join us and sign up now.
The trades unions have been calling for a standardised, fair and transparent approach to competence and skills assessment in the oil and gas industry for many years. Refreshing base technical competence every 3 to 4 years means that everyone is working to the same recognised base standard needed for today's working environments. It also gives the worker ownership of their skills and development and allows potential employers to see that their technical skills are current and up to date. This should speed up mobilisation to jobs while reducing costs for the industry, something everyone should welcome. We encourage you to sign up to the Charter today.
It has been widely acknowledged and accepted for some time now that the engineering construction industry is facing a raft of challenges. Not least of these challenges is the increased competition for skills between sectors within the engineering construction industry and across allied sectors. The premise of ensuring base technical competence of temporary oil and gas workers will provide operators with greater assurance and verification of the workforce's competence through the standardised process and standardised assessments and tests. But without firm operator support influencing good practice through their supply chain organisations, sustainability of this scheme may be at risk. Workers could avoid assuring their technical competence and be deployed through contractors who wish to evade good industry practice.